Hello, I'm Abbie Burton, the author of My Book of Shadows, and in that book are, along with some thoughts and fears, are some songs and poems. So today I thought I would perform for you Rain on Saturday, which is in the book. It's available exclusively from Amazon on digital download and now on paperback. Oh yes, I'm proud to say that. It took a long time to get that sorted out. Anyway, feel free to comment, share, subscribe, tell me what you think, and I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. You told me to look forward to a day of promise, and all I got was a house of horrors. Monday was a good day, sunshine through trees. Tuesday, Wednesday flew by carefree. Thursday, Friday, sky was gliding over. Rain on Saturday, I left your lies unwoven. Now I'm driving to the ocean sober, and jump the ferry when I get to Dover. My broken heart in your promised day, with everything I lent and borrowed, I'm waiting on a different day. I will wait for my tomorrow. You told me to wish you would fulfill, but you knocked me down just like roadkill. Monday started well, sun on crystal water. Tuesday, Wednesday did not falter. Thursday, Friday, grey clouds inside. Rain on Saturday, I washed your dirty lies. Now I'm driving to the ocean side. I'm gonna try to catch a tide. My broken heart in your promised day, with everything I lent and borrowed, I'm waiting on a different day. I will wait for my tomorrow. To look forward to a day of promise, and all I got was a house of horrors. You told me to wish you would fulfill, but you knocked me down just like roadkill. Now I'm driving to the ocean sober, and jump the ferry when I get to Dover. My broken heart in your promised day, with everything I lent and borrowed, I'm waiting on a different day. I will wait for my tomorrow. My broken heart in your promised day, with everything I lent and borrowed, I'm waiting on a different day. I will wait for my tomorrow. My broken heart in your promised day, everything is I lent and borrowed, I'm waiting on a different day. I will wait for my tomorrow. Thank you very much. If you've not ordered your copy yet, you can get it now from Amazon. Thanks so much. Comment, share, subscribe, and all that stuff. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.